In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your starred elements in Canva, helping you streamline your design process by easily accessing the elements you love the most. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to canva.com and sign in using your credentials. To do this, you'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the page. Whether you prefer logging in through Google, Facebook, or just using your email, Canva offers multiple options to suit your preferences. Now, once you're logged in, one of the fantastic features Canva offers is the ability to star or bookmark your favorite photos and elements. This is crucial for quickly navigating back to them, saving you time and effort amid a creative project. So, if you've ever found a perfect graphic or image and wished you could just save it somewhere for easy access later, you'll love this next step. To begin starring elements, you need to navigate to the Elements tab, which you'll find in the editor's side navigation. This section houses a plethora of elements and is essentially a treasure trove for any Canva user. So once there, start by hovering your mouse over the element you want to star. This action triggers an overlay with some additional options. Next, you'll notice a More icon appearing. Click on this icon and from the resulting drop down, select Star. And just like that, you've bookmarked an element. This process can be repeated for as many elements as you like, allowing you to create a tailored library of graphics and photos that cater to your specific needs. Now, let's talk about accessing these starred elements. You don't want them hidden away, you want them at your fingertips. Start by scrolling down to the bottom of the left menu within the editor. Here you'll find the option labeled Starred. Clicking on this will take you to your collection of favorited elements. It's like having your very own curated gallery that you can tap into whenever inspiration strikes or when you're racing to meet that deadline. And there you have it, your newfound ability to swiftly locate your starred elements. Now you can keep your creative juices flowing without the disruption of researching for elements you love. Remember, mastering these features will only enhance your productivity and creativity within Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more tips and tricks to make the most of your Canva experience. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating with flair.